Okay, so this request came in from Twitter. So was doing some free web scraping in return for some testimonials, and this guy asked me to scrape Hennepin County for all homes appraised at $1 million or more. So it gave me this link to try. So property search information, and you can search by property address, or probably better is the property ID. Now, only problem is we don't have a list of property IDs. So then I went to I just Googled Hennepin GIS. I think that's probably what I Googled, Hennepin County GIS. And usually counties will have this, and they are fantastic. So they have all of their lots, like, they have all their lots squared out. They have them on a map, whatever. It's like Google Maps for the county. And if you click on them, then it gives you the information. So this is, I assume, the information that he wants, like market value. So this is for 2022 and 23. So yeah, perfect. And then I want all of this data. And yeah, you can usually do this with any county. If you just Google whatever the county is in the GIS, then that is a great resource. Ooh, property links as well. So then I looked here in the network tab to see what was coming back, because obviously if you click on each one, then it's probably Ajax, and it is. So that's amazing. Way easier to scrape. And this is the exact one that we need. And this is the property ID as well. So all we have to provide is the property ID to this nice API, and we get back this amazing JSON. Mwah, beautiful. I could kiss Hennepin County. It's not some stupid bunch of array of HTML. It's amazing JSON. Thank you so much, Hennepin County. And this gives us the exact stuff that was shown in the bar to the left. What is that called? I don't know, bar to the left. So we have tax year, taxpayer, which is good information, tax, watershed, property ID, PID, owner, whatever the meets are, market value right there, exactly what we need. And homestead as well, build year, acres. So we get all of this great data. Now, the problem that I ran into is obviously you can't really scrape the map. That's kind of a pain in the butt. So I needed a list of parcels, of all the parcel IDs, and couldn't really figure it out. But then I just Googled something about like Hennepin County parcels, and then this came up. So it's just literally a CSV. Yeah, I think they give you a bunch of, you can download as a CSV, KML, shapefile, whatever these things are. Not sure what they are. And I actually tried to download it, but it took like hours to download. So I ended up just scraping all of the, or you can go here. Let's see, you can view map, or you can just view the data. I want to view data source, view on metadata. Oh, apparently there's an API there anyway. Yeah, so maybe you could have just used the API. And I think you can just view data source. That's not it. Somewhere there's maybe you could do that as well. Somewhere there's just a table that you can view. Public, view table data. Yeah, maybe view table data right there. So then all I did, because that took way too long to download, I just scraped them from here. So you get all of this data as well, which is already pretty good. So the property ID, house number, street number, zip code, owner, all this good stuff, sale price, taxable stuff, market value. That's funny. I didn't even need to scrape the other stuff. This has market value total right here. Whoops. Oh, well. So I just scraped two things. And this thing was way easier to scrape because you could include a lot more things in it. So if we scroll down, then we get that query. Boom. So this is everything that we need right here. think it's under features. Yeah, and then attributes, and then has all that data there. So I could have just scraped that. And I believe, yeah, so results record count, you can go up to 2,000. So this is kind of a nice little trick. And yeah, to get this, you just copy as node fetch and then paste it. But yeah, usually the API, if it asks you how many results you want, you just increase that until you can't anymore. And I believe, yeah, so I increased that to 2,000. Yeah, to get as many results back as I could. So what I did is got the parcels and then got the parcel details. So you got the parcels here, and then yeah, got the parcel details with get parcel details. And that's just, yeah, copy as node fetch and copy as node fetch for the other thing as well. Where was that? Yeah, same right here. Let's just start over. Yeah, and then copy as node fetch. And then you have everything that you need. And that was pretty much it. Pushed it up to a server, scraped everything, took a long time. Could have taken a lot less time if I knew that the market value was on that already. So it looks like these parcels, you can already get like a bunch of great data. Taxpayer name. I think that's pretty much everything that was on what I was looking for. Parcel area, market value total, tax. Yeah, and then the type of property, land value, like total MV. Dang, could have just done that. Yeah, market value too. Dang, could have just used that. Oh, that's a bummer. I could have gotten it so much faster, like in hours or less. Anyway, so if you wanted to get this data though, county parcels, then a lot of times you can just Google like open data and then the county name, Hennepin. And they, like every county or every government site has this like open data thing and gives you a bunch of great data for free because they're like supposed to. Yeah, it's data. So if you ever need to find county data, that's a great way. Open data, Google open data, and then the county name. And I think that's it.